Good evening and welcome to another video by MDR Cars. Today we've got the 2007-07 BMW 318i M Sport. It's finished in silver with the black suede and cloth interior. It's covered just over 89,000 miles. We're selling this car as spares and repairs, part exchange to clear. I'll run through the issues in a minute, but I'll just walk around the bodywork first. Bodywork is very clean. Very clean indeed. As I say, it's covered 89,000 miles, it's got MOT until March 2021. Wheels are nice and clean, tyres are really good. No damage on the Beamer at all. It's nice and straight. I think it's had 3 or 4 owners. It's 2 litre petrol. Again, nice wheel there. With a nice tidy wheel, minimal curbing. Near new tyre on the back there. It's got service history up to 75,000 as well. Now we'll just have a look in the boot. Nice clean boot. There's a bit of a mark on the right hand side there, but the rest of the boot is very clean. Interior nice and clean. Could do with a bit of a wash the seats, but suede's a bit of a mess, but it's pretty clean. Isofix seats in the rear. The M Sport door inserts, M Sport mats. Again, quite clean. It is a 6-speed manual as well. Now we'll just walk round to the driver's side. Driver's seat is good condition. It's got the leather multifunctional steering wheel. 6-speed, I think I said this already, 6-speed gearbox. I'll sit inside. It's radio CD. It's got the dual climate as well. I think cruise. There's 2 keys with remote central locking, electric windows, electric mirrors. I'll just start it up. Now the reason we're not going to retail this car is because we simply have too much work on at the moment. I don't have time to fix what's wrong with it. I've not even had it diagnosed, but I'd just rather sell it cheap. So as you can see, the airbag light's on, ABS and traction light are also on. It runs and drives perfectly fine. I can't really fault the drive as such with it. Engine seems to run fine. I know there's a bit of an oil leak as well. But I mean, I drove it back from Warrington and had no real issues. It pulled 48 mpg, so that suggests to me it's quite healthy. But obviously I can't confirm that, it's buyer's discretion. But there we have it. Engine doesn't seem noisy or anything, it seems okay. Seems to tick over fine. I mean, there's power and everything, so it's just being sold for the reasons displayed. I'll detail everything in the advert, but I thought I'd just do a video so the buyer effectively doesn't waste either mine or their time. There we have it. That's a BMW 318i M Sport 2 litre. These are our details: phone, email, WhatsApp us. It's going to be a bit of a bargain this, so it's first come first serve basis. Thanks for watching.